instruments. Within this dark vault lies a galaxy of crystalline sweetness. The Mắc Cọp seed is a silent. The first Mắc Cọp sprout emerges, appearing as a sharp green spike piercing the soil surface. Growth in the highlands. The Mắc Cọp sprout must develop resilient armor from its very first breath, preparing for the wind and sun of the peaks. The signal of wealth. Within these humble green nodes, the tree is designing a geometric masterpiece of organized abundance.
The flower buds begin to swell rapidly, turning from green to a creamy white color.
The forest snow, a breathtaking explosion of symmetry. Thousands of snowy blossoms open in unison to call nature's vital engineers. Beauty retreats for power. The base of the perfect flower is now the foundation of the geometric globe. Detailed shot of the green Mắc Cọp rind developing small white dots, or lenticels, for gas exchange. Fructose alchemy. The tree acts as a living solar refinery, transforming pure light into the sweetest carbohydrates known to nature.
A distinct bronze blush appears on the sunny side of the Mắc Cọp rind, starting from the stem.
The bronze signal. The color shift to deep mahogany tells the mountain that the pear's intense sweetness has peaked.
The harvested Mắc Cọp fruits are placed into a cushioned Genesis Motion branded crate, glowing in the sun.
Breaking the seal. The final reveal of 1,000 days of sunshine, captured in crystalline liquid form. The Mắc Cọp is gently sliced horizontally, revealing the perfect star-shaped seed core. Nature's crystal. A structured galaxy of sweet, refreshing mountain water, built for intense gratification. From a dark seed star to a bronze globe of sweetness, the genesis of the Mắc Cọp is complete. experience the geometry of the peaks, a galaxy in every bite. This is Genesis motion. The cycle of light. Every bloom returns its energy to the forest to build the next generation of geometry.
This AI visualization demonstrates how Mắc Cọp pulp fiber cleanses the intestines, boosting beneficial flora for optimal digestive health.
The Mắc Cọp tree stands tall, a symbol of resilient abundance in the Genesis motion estate.
Pure, geometric, perfect. Genesis motion brings you the soul of the forest snow.
The Genesis motion estate is shown to be a certified carbon-neutral agricultural sanctuary.